In Ohio, freedom echoes louder with the Permitless Carry Law in place. Yet, amidst this newfound liberty, no gun signs remain, posing questions about their relevance and authority. How do these signs coexist with the broadened rights to bear arms? Ohio's streets whisper tales of change as permitless carry reshapes the gun ownership landscape. This law allows Ohioans to carry concealed weapons without a permit, marking a significant shift towards embracing Second Amendment rights more fully. However, this freedom brings to light a crucial intersection: the enduring power of private property rights symbolized by no gun signs. The heart of the matter lies in the silent standoff between gun owners' freedoms and business owners' rights. No gun signs, once clear markers of gun-free zones, now test the waters of their legal standing in a permitless carry state. Gun owners face a dilemma, respecting the clear wishes of property owners while navigating their expanded rights. This friction raises important questions about the balance between individual liberties and the rights of property owners to set rules within their domains. Despite the evolution of gun laws, the authority of no gun signs endures, emphasizing that the rights of business and property owners have not been overshadowed by permitless carry. These signs remain a legal boundary that gun owners must navigate with care. Understanding and respecting these markers is crucial in maintaining harmony between the newfound freedom to carry and the sanctity of private property rights. The journey through Ohio's changing legal landscape reveals a critical lesson. Freedom comes with responsibility. As Ohioans embrace the liberties of permitless carry, they must also honor the boundaries set by no gun signs. This balance is essential for fostering a respectful and safe community where the rights of all individuals are preserved. Ohio stands at the forefront of a nuanced dialogue between rights and responsibilities. As we adapt to these changes, let's carry forward not only our rights but also a commitment to respect and understanding, ensuring that Ohio remains a place where freedom and respect coexist harmoniously.